Today, I am going to show you how to use your controller to play Hytale. For this tutorial, I will be using Linux, but it will work on Windows as well. First, open up your browser and type antimicrox into your search engine. Click on the GitHub page, which should be the first link in the search results. Then, if you are on Windows, click on the Releases button. Finally, download the exe file and install the program. If you are using Linux, you can install it through the terminal. As I am using an Arch-based Linux distro, I can install it using this pacman command. If you are using a different distro, check the description for the command that matches your distribution. Alternatively, if you have the Discover store installed, you can download the Flatpak if you prefer. Or you can download the app image back on the Releases page on the GitHub repository if you prefer that instead. When you open the program, click on the button that says Load. I have made a custom configuration that you can download in the description. If for some reason that doesn't work, you can copy the settings I'm showing on screen. To adjust your camera sensitivity, follow these steps. Only adjust these values. The higher the number, the more sensitive it will be. If you're configuring the inputs yourself, it's incredibly important that you adjust the mouse wheel notch speed for the bumpers down to 4 notches. The reason for this is because scrolling through your hotbar will be way too fast. Make sure you apply the same settings to both your left and right bumpers respectively. If you are playing on Steam Deck, you should be able to use Steam's built-in Steam input. I personally recommend Nissan's layout as I based my configuration on theirs. When you're in-game, it's incredibly important that you switch the crouching and sprinting actions from hold to toggle. In my experience, the controls kind of glitch out without changing these settings. Also, I recommend changing these settings when you are already loaded into a world, otherwise they may not apply correctly. As this game was never designed with controller support in mind, expect there to be some jank as you play. Unfortunately, not every action is mapped to the controller, but the game is mostly playable as is. Of course, you can always adjust the bindings in Antimicrox at any time to match your own preferences. It's very possible they will add native controller support in a future update. Someone may even make a mod that adds controller support too. But until then, this is the best workaround we have. Anyways, I hope you found this video useful and I wish you all the best.